Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity general status cell and voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then into Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then after that, in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then in the voiceover, scroll down again and then tap the activities. Then in your activities, tap your activity. Then in your activity, scroll down and go to braille settings section and then tap the general status cell. Then in the general status cell, if you want to change it to on, just tap the on until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to off, just tap it also until there's a check mark on the side. And lastly, if you want to change it back to default general status style, just tap again the default until there's a check mark on the side, just like this. And that's it, we have successfully changed activity general status cell and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!